In this video, we'll be going over the Smart model. We start with the box. And inside, we have the unassembled zoom lens, the soap bottle holder, the pistol, the stabilizing legs, the foam cannon, the soap bottle, a bag with accessories, we'll come back to the components, handle on the top of machine, and the instruction booklet with hex key included. Inside our bag of accessories and components, we have some parts that will go to our zoom lens. We have a vario nozzle, some screws for the handle, the water filter, turbo nozzle, and a connecting pin for our zoom lens.